So retiring his jersey, the Bulls are Saturday night in Chicago, and it's fitting that his coach with the Bulls for so many years, and even here in New York, will be there. You want to
swinging outside, trying to get it open to his tight end, Julian Hill leaked out. 140 degrees into the face.